Okay, guys and gals, this is an update for March 4, 2016. Our algorithm absolutely nailed it today. Non-farm payroll day today. We had some major explosions in crude oil with very small risk, major explosions in gold with small risk, NASDAQ futures, Dow minis, right across the board, S&P 400, S&P 500. This algorithm works on all markets, futures, Forex, currency, individual stocks. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it here in a second in today's update. Remember, jsignal.com. Go to jsignal.com. You can look over a methodology about the system. It works on all those markets I described. If you scroll down, if you want to visit these videos that I do periodically to show you the power of the system, just click off of jsignal.com and go on YouTube. And you can play these videos over and over again, and you'll see we have the exact same setup every single day. For the last couple years, every single day, over and over again, it repeats itself in all these markets with very small risk. And then if you look at the chart library, if you click on it, you'll see that we update charts periodically in here to give you some education about how the system works. You can click on them, and you click on it. Here's Market Delta. It tells you exactly how it works, so you can see the same setup on a day-to-day basis. All right, so that'll help you out on understanding exactly what we do as far as the methodology goes. Remember, you can come in for a 3-day free trial, and I do show crude futures and also gold futures in the live room. This does work on everything, but you will see Market Delta running live and JSignal in my live room. Click on free 3-day trial, and we'll get you in the live room for free for 3 days. Make sure you look at the risk disclaimer, guys and gals. Just click on it, and you can scroll down and read the risk disclaimer. Trading's not for everyone. And so make sure that it's very important that you read the risk disclaimer before watching these videos. All right, let's get started today, and let's see the power of this algorithm. All right, first of all, non-farm payrolls. Let me educate you about something right now. Non-farm payrolls is one of the most important economic barometers of the economy that we have every single month. It's the first Friday of every single month when the number's released. And this number creates major explosions in these markets. Another major number that we look for is the FOMC meetings. So the 8 FOMC meetings during the year, and then also the monthly non-farm payroll numbers is a must for day traders. It's absolutely phenomenal, especially if you have an algorithm like this that can catch these major swings. We had huge reward to risk trades today. We had over a 16 to 1 reward to risk and a 10 to 1 reward to risk in crude, and I'll go over that. First of all, let's go over my methodology. I use a combination of 3 beautiful and tried over time techniques. I mean, these are techniques that have been around for a long time. First is market profile. Market profile has been around since 1985. And market profile sets our trades up in our room. And you can see I have high value area right here in red. I have low value area in green. And what I said at 8:25 this morning, before the market even released the non-farm payroll numbers, I told my traders in the live room, I said, listen, we have 2 major key inflection points today. We have 35.12, my high value area, and we have 34.45, my low value area. Those are 2 major key inflection points where we need to see them tested or break out retested for a huge opportunity for low risk and a high reward. Sure enough, my algorithm absolutely nailed it. Right here is at 8:25, I said to look for those levels. Right after 9:45, I tested LVA, and I'm going to show you how my market delta called the exact low, swing low on the big move. Major buy and balance on this test. And then this is a level I was really excited about it. I mentioned to my traders almost 10 times in the live room, wait for 35.12. Wait for 35.12 to break retest. Sure enough, I was exactly correct. It broke out of my high value area. It retested my high value. And market delta did not give us a positive market delta until all the way at this swing low, and then the market explodes. Now, what's unique about this is this. I told my traders at 8:25 this morning, if we break out at 35.12, retest and get a positive market delta, place the stop 2 ticks below the swing low, right? My target is 36.30 for the session. Guess where crude ended today at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time? 36.32. At 8:25 this morning, I projected that at 8:25, that if it broke 35.12, retested it, My projection's 36.30 for the day. It closed at 36.32. All right? I was 2 ticks off from the swing high at 8.25 this morning. And that's how we do things. Let market profile set it up. Now watch. Watch these 2 key inflection points. So we know I want to trade off high value and I want to trade off low value. All right? I had the control point in here, but I really don't like trading off the control because that's where the most volume is traded. It's a lot of accumulation in that area. I like value breaking outside, retesting. You are coming down to test the low value or testing the high value when you're inside. So when I tested LVA, we had a huge order imbalance, which I'll show you in a second. When I broke out of HV and retested, I had a huge order imbalance right here also. Now check this out. Look how my market delta called it. Okay, here's the 2 big inflection points on my market profile, right? My market profile's low. LVA was here. At 8:30, 8:25 this morning, I said, that's my level I'm looking at. This is my level at 35.12. I'm looking for a break retest. Look how it broke out at 35.12, retested, all negative market delta. And sure enough, the positive market delta came in right here, closed a green bar. Now, I got a proprietary Renko bar too. NinjaTrader does not allow you to lock Renko bars. So all these trading forums out there, they got all these Renko bars out there that everybody has. They don't have mine. I built my own server to work with my market delta and my J signal. My own Renko bar, so that comes with the J signal. I call it the Sim Renko. And my Sim Renko is notorious for calling these swing lows, swing highs. If you look at this negative market delta on the first one, all the way down to I hit 45. It hits 45. The low, I said at 8.25 this morning, 45 is my level. The low of crude oil was 46. I was 1 tick off from the low for my projection an hour and 20 minutes before that, right? Positive market delta. Market explodes. Then I said at 8.25, I said, listen, if we break out at 35.12 and retest, look for positive market delta. Look what it did. Broke out, retested, positive market delta. And I said at 8.25, my target's 36.30. It closed at 36.32, 2 ticks from the swing high. Off on the swing, the session high. All right, just huge, huge, huge. Let's zoom in on this a little bit. If we zoom in, look at the negative market delta coming down as my number. I said 35.45 at 8.25 this morning, Eastern Standard Time. At 9:48, I get positive market delta, 312. 312 positive. I made it so my Renko bar turns the same color as my market delta. Look how neat that is. At this close, we open it up at this close. Our stop is 2 ticks below this swing. The market goes up for a 16 to 1 reward to risk. It was a $1,700 potential trade per one contract with a maximum risk of $150. $1,700 move with a maximum risk of $150. There she goes, right? Look at all that negative market delta in my number. Positive right at the low. Look at the next one. I said if we break out of 35.12 and retest, look for a positive market delta. Negative market delta broke out, got as high, I believe, as 35.26, came down, retested, and look at that green market delta right there. 267 positive, put our stop loss 2 ticks below the swing low, open it up, small risk. Market explodes to 36.30 for over a 10 to 1 reward to risk. 10 to 1. All right? All predicated on market profile. So if you look, what happened was, these were all projected before it happened. We let market profile set the trade up. And then at the end, we let market delta pop us in these trades with small risk. Now, we do have J signal that finds a Fibonacci area for you also. Check this out. I said, if you break out of the projected HVA, this goes on your own Ninja charts. It broke out of high value area right here. Here was the exact blue fib dot, exactly blue fib dot, exactly the blue fib dot start printing right here. And it never gave. When the blue fib dot started printing, it was negative market delta all the way down until the swing low. Watch this. Watch. On the first one. On the first one. Take a look at the first one. Here it was. Negative market delta. Negative market delta. Negative market delta. Negative market delta. Positive at the low. Look at the second one on this Fibonacci retracement. It broke out. There's my blue fib dot that came right here at this level. Blue fib dot started printing right here, but still negative market delta. Stay away. Negative, negative, negative. Boom. Nailed the low. All right. So look at J signal, and my projected high was 36.30 from all the way at this buy down here. Sure enough, 36.32 at the close. That's how we do it. We use market delta, market profile to set the trade up, right? Set it up. Let it break. Let it retest. Let the J signal Fibonacci dot show you the area, and the market profile to show you the area. And then sure enough, market delta popped us in these trades, and straight up we go. Just a beautiful day, guys and gals. Worked on a lot of markets today. Great job today. Any questions, go to jsignal.com, jsignal.com, hit contact, email me for a 3-day free trial. Good job today. We absolutely nailed it again. The algorithm was on fire. Everyone take care.